Hey guys, this is Todd. Just touched down in Michigan. Looking forward to a great hunt with Connor and his guys. Had a great time last year, and we know this year's going to be even better. So super excited, so stay tuned.
Yeah, we're super grateful that Todd and Micheal were able to come back again for this 2025 season. They hunted with us last year. We're done in a jiffy, and they had such a great time they had to come back and see us again. So just out here doing some afternoon scouting, making the rounds, checking a few of our properties, soaking up some sunshine, moving around. So we're sitting here waiting to see where these turkeys go roost, and they just broke loose. They've gobbled like 4 or 5 times in the last 2 minutes, and there's like at least 3 or 4 of them. It sounds like maybe 5, and they're just hammering their heads off. So hopefully they've got that intensity in the morning. Right there. So we're sitting here taking some notes on this flock of birds. There's for sure 3 really nice toms. He's got a super dark fan. He's kind of cool looking. And then that like leucistic or albino piebald, whatever you want to call her, hen, smoky hen. She is just beautiful. So definitely looking forward to see what these birds do in the morning. Here's a video where they were at this morning, right almost that exact spot is where they are right now. So we'll roll the dice on them in the morning, and hopefully it's not a total torrential downpour, but I'm looking forward to seeing how this unfolds. Man, here we are, bright and early, about 4:40 on a Tuesday morning. It's like 50 degrees. We are anxiously awaiting this torrential downpour we're about to see, I bet. Waiting on the clients to get here. As soon as they're here, we're gonna hop in the truck and roll about another 20 or 30 minutes south, depending on how many deer we gotta dodge. We don't really slow down a whole lot for them, but a little bit. And then we're gonna get set up for those birds we watched and put to bed last night. It's here. Here we are. Hopefully Carlson can stay awake throughout the morning. We'll see. This house right here, we're gonna end up walking up just past it and slide in right there. Mm-hmm. And then the turkeys are probably 200 to 300 yards behind the house, roosted up. Pretty long birds, 2 jakes and 2 hens at about 150 yards coming to us. They started acting real buggy like they were super decoy shot.
And then all of a sudden a coyote came up out of the ditch, chased them all out, cutting, flying back up in the trees. There was like 1 Tom and 2 Jakes left in the field, and he just came running into the vehicles. Todd dropped the hammer on him, made a perfect shot. What a beautiful bird.
Nice shot, man. Hell yeah, that is wild. Good eye, that's a good
So headed down this way yesterday morning and kind of on a whim. We've had this farm for about 4 or 5 years, but haven't hunted it in a little while. And scouting looked super good yesterday morning. There was a piebald or albino hen out here in the field with 3 gobblers and 2 jakes. And so came back down last night to roost them. And obviously chatted with the landowner midday yesterday, and he said, "Yep, go for it." So Todd and Micheal flew back in from Arkansas again this year. They hunted with us last year and came back up. And man, look at that. I'm not sure who's wetter, us or the turkeys, but it was a darn good morning in the woods.
Very exciting.
So,
Sure.
thank you guys for coming back. Yeah, what do you think?
Great morning, and yeah, this is very exciting and great experience with Connor and our trusty cameraman Connor over there as well.
Connor.
So you guys did a great job. We appreciate all the effort.
Yeah, for sure.